think I found out a trick which... Good morning everybody and welcome to a new vlog. Look at this, what the heck is going on in Switzerland right now? It shouldn't be like this. I never thought I'm gonna use my jacket again. I already know what this is, but I'm gonna do that in the evening. I already have an idea for today. That's gonna be my thumbnail. My friend told me about this spot, but it's way too cold out. Oh wait, that spot changed. I used to skate that 3 block here. And here will be another gap. I did a switch heel and I couldn't use the footage because it was like, I messed up with the settings. I have to admit, I can't wait. I have to unbox it right now. Oh, what do we have here? You guys will see it later. I'm gonna go skate first. This is our new chill room. It's really cool. You haven't seen it yet, right? Alright, yesterday I needed around 100 tries for this trick. Let's give like 3 tries today. Let's see if I can do it. Oh no! I'll just take this one. And I want to try some different tricks today. Can probably do every pressure flip you can imagine. Do a first try pressure heel flip. Oh, that was the second try, man. Oh.
Let's clean that shit up. Nope.
Sick.
Nope.
Oh man. Sick. What do you call that? Pressure varial flip or what?
Just pressure flip.
Don't ask me about flips, I have like no idea. I don't even know my own tricks. That's called an underflip, right? It's not a pressure flip at all.
It's a kickback.
Oh,
yeah.
Sick. What? Pressure, inward, heel flip, kickback, underflip.
Inward kickback.
That's inward kickback.
Let's see if I got a 180 kickback in me.
That was first try. What? Alright, today I'm gonna film with my homie Jan Hirt. He's really good. Let's film a couple tricks.
Yeah.
I told you guys he's really good and he's just 20 years old. That was scary and I'm filming with a new angle right now. Game of skate time. I'm not gonna film the whole game, just a couple of tricks. He won the first one and now it's my turn, I would say. I would say so. I lost. Nah, it was a huge game. We skated for like 10 minutes, I would say. Yeah. It's just the video will be really long. Okay, it's like really crazy right now. It's 4 to 4 and I did a trick. I don't know the name of it. It's like big spin flip or something. Yeah. It's not a good moment to film for him right now. I'm just gonna put my camera there. So there's no pressure for him. It's 1 to 1 now. I think we're gonna continue a little later.
Yeah.
On another day. Do you like my music? He really likes my music. So that's the Hall Brothers channel, and like a week ago they called me and they're like, hey, we have a viral video right now. They made 150,000 views in 2 days. It was crazy, and they told me, hey, fidget spinners, that's the new thing right now. You have to buy it and you have to make a video about it. And I'm like, I'm gonna buy it. Just wanted to tell you, please check them out, they're really cool. Go check out their channel, I'll put the link in the description. And now, let's do a couple tricks with that fidget spinner right here. It was actually really expensive, yeah, I paid money for this. This actually is a special Luxus edition. Hey! It works! Yeah, I don't know, I think... Damn it. I think a metal one is not easy to start off. I have to get some plastic ones. Those fidget spinners, they have officially trick names. This is called change up. I think I found out a trick which nobody has ever done with a fidget spinner. Here you go. What? I call this the above the finger spinner. Alright, I just wanted to say that fidget spinner stuff, that was just for fun. Of course, it was a thumbnail idea. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed today's vlog and we'll see each other hopefully tomorrow.